Like that. Oh yeah, we're gonna go ahead and make up some nice good souffle up in this joint. You know what I mean? Got the fam over there. You know, we right here chilling. Bam. Gonna go ahead and put this in, yo. So this is how you get perfect rice every time. You see, that's wild rice. That's how you get perfect rice every time. Just a little bit of water, just that much water. Then you pour the rice up in there. Not too much, just a little bit. Boom, boom, boom. Then it come on back up. All right. Boom. Oh yeah, we use the tomato. Oh snap! Look what we got. We got some lentils in this pot too, boy. Oh, look at the mushrooms, boy. The mushrooms.
Can't forget the mushrooms.
Oh yeah, oh yeah. So the guy got something. We're pulling out. We got I say some parsley over here, man. Some parsley. Yeah, we finna mix it all in the game. Oh, it's gonna be the scrums daily upshits, man, out here in the sun and enjoying the whole little island. What's them right there? The white carrots or tomatoes? I mean, potatoes.
Potatoes.
Some sweet potatoes. What them is? But them some potatoes though. We're gonna run with that right there. Oh yeah, it's video time. Let's go ahead and get up on check this thing out right here, man. Let's open this joint. Oh boy, look at that. Oh man, look at it. That's that garlic. They say you don't like garlic? Oh no. Oh no. We use garlic. We use all the little nice vitamins and minerals and the body needs. You know what's up? Hey, see, we got the cardinal over there. Check out the card. Oh yeah, that's Abba. Hey. Look at that. Like man, we go. Sun, in water, we out here, man. Light body facility, yo.